Happy Friday, Woodridge Eagles. Today is actually Friday. Well, what I mean is I normally do my recordings the day before, but today I'm actually doing it on Friday morning because today is a special Friday. Wait, what do I hear? Oh my goodness, look who just dropped in. Now she knows how to make an entrance. Goodness, Wendy, are you here to join me for my morning announcement? You mean you got up early as well? Oh, you normally get up this early? Well, there you have it, you guys. Wendy's going to be here to join me for this very special announcement. Today's date, June 12th, 2020, is a very special day. Today, people around the state of Washington, the state that we all live in, are standing together in unity and acting with courage to focus on ending racism. Racism is the mistreatment of other people because of their skin color. Today, we are especially focused on the mistreatment of people who are Black. So people around the state of Washington are coming together. They're putting an end and standing up with courage to put a stop to this. Some people may be putting an end to this by standing and coming together, acting with courage in a very peaceful way by protesting. Others may just be standing with courage and acting together to learn more about the history of Black people and also how they've been mistreated, because racism still does continue today. So today, some of your teachers at Woodridge Elementary are also acting in unity and standing together with courage to focus on ending racism. As principals of the school at Woodridge Elementary, Ms. Hepworth and I are also standing together in unity and acting with courage, focused on ending racism and institutionalized racism. So Wendy is here with me, and we too are standing together and acting with courage. All right, you guys, have a fantastic Friday. Oh yes, before I forget, our assembly that was supposed to be going on today will now be going on Monday at 3 o'clock so that we can stand together, acting with courage to focus on ending racism. Okay, you guys, have a great Friday. Bye-bye.